All right, everyone. I'm here at Walmart. So the problem is that yesterday, out of the blue, as I was watching the hot air balloon, I didn't bite into anything or do anything, but one of my front teeth chipped. I don't know if you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can. The tooth saga continues. Now, if I was to get a cap on that tooth, what color would I make it? Because all of these caps over there are brighter than the others. So what does that mean? That means I'd have to get a cap on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teeth. And I might as well do this back lower one because that one needs something done to it soon. And then we're talking over $2,000 for dental work. So what am I doing at Walmart, you ask? Yeah, you guessed it. I'm trying to ghetto fix my tooth. I got a couple ideas. The first idea is the actual tooth fix if they have it here. The second idea would be to use like some crazy glue or some super glue and to just get it on that bottom edge and then dip some baking powder into it so it hardens it instantly. Found this stuff. It was less than $3, so that's really cheap. I did see a video online saying it might take 3 hours to dry or something like that, so it might not work. And then I got Gorilla Glue in the gel form, which honestly I feel like probably has a better chance of working because I can instantly harden it with baking soda. So I don't know, between these two, hopefully I can make it look somewhat normal. And then I've got a small nail file that I can use to kind of shape it. Hopefully I won't have to do too much shaping. You can see. I mean, it's not really bad, but it looks terrible. Oh, that's what happens when you get old, I guess. Shit like that happens. I bought some more oil just because I want enough oil to do an oil change on all my vehicles. Everything's getting really, really expensive, guys. Gas is insane in the membrane. And I don't know what I'm going to do trying to get back. I have no idea. Like, I'm playing this day by day. I have no idea what's going to happen. And then I think with inflation and everything, maybe I should just go get those teeth fixed right now. All of them. And that's probably what's going to happen if this doesn't work. Then I might as well get caps on all these front teeth. And then that back one back there on the bottom. And then I'm looking at over $2,000 worth of dental work. But maybe I won't even be able to come down here next year. You know, because gas prices are going to be too high forever. Who knows? And it's going to take years and years for electric vehicles to catch up, and nobody can afford any of them, and they're not going to be a decently priced used one on the market. Who knows? Who knows any of this stuff? Like I always say in every video, I hope y'all are doing well. This market, this economy, gas prices is hard on all of us. I don't care if you're poor, middle class. I mean, but it does affect the poor, us poor people, way greater than it does middle class. But it's still tough because I know a lot of the middle classes, they're stretched to their limits, you know, with house payments, car payments. That may be on them a little bit, but it's still tough for all of us. So 2022, I got a feeling is probably going to be the worst year in history for almost all of us. I think maybe I should be investing more into solar power. I've been thinking about that too. Maybe ordering up some solar panels and ordering up maybe a server rack battery or two and an inverter unit. But I know that's going to be extremely expensive. But here's the thing, it's only going to get more expensive, just like my teeth is only going to get more expensive. So I don't want to spend money, but I do. It's crazy, guys. This is just absolutely crazy. I expect commodities to keep going higher. Food, gold and silver, oil, gas, things that everybody needs on a daily basis. All right, I'll get back to you guys when I get back to the RV, and I'll let you watch me glue my teeth back together. I still think the best choice is to go to Mexico and get my teeth completely done. It's gonna take me probably a few days to come to that conclusion and to just accept the fact that I'm gonna have to spend a small fortune on my teeth again. You guys have no idea. I haven't had insurance or anything for a long time. These front teeth now, the ones that are chipping away, and then some other ones around, I spent $3,800 on my teeth probably, I wanna say, no, 4 years ago. And now I just got done spending another $650 on my teeth, and now I'm probably gonna spend another $2,000 on my teeth. I should get implants on the lower, so at least I have one set of molars down there. That would be another at least $750. But really, when you consider how bad inflation is going up and how much it costs in the United States to have this work done, it's really cheap. With the money I'm spending now, I had been saving up for a very long time. And a lot of this money that I saved up has been saved up for my kids. So I don't really want to touch that money, except I don't want to see that money whittled away by the time. It's so tough right now, you guys. Okay. Make sure lungs are clean. Kip, you're gonna need to get down. Alright, I shouldn't be drinking any coffee. Oh man. So, first we have this. I don't know how this is gonna work. This little tool for packing down. It's probably not the best tool I want. I feel like the glue is definitely the way to go. I mean, this stuff would work really good for packing down teeth, but you can see what we're looking at. Gonna have to have it really dry. And probably try to put some alcohol on it. Alcohol. Dry it off. Teddy always trying to mess things up. Fish boy. What do you think? I think the backside, backside's good. Like, I don't feel it built up back there. You know, if nothing else, I can hide the chip a little bit from the dentist so they don't try to take advantage of me money-wise, like, oh, this guy's gonna want to get that chip fixed no matter what. Where now it looks like, well, I can wait maybe. What do you think? I think we're just about there. I'm just gonna let that go for a while and then maybe sand it later when it gets a little bit harder. I don't know. Here's the finished product. I mean, I could smooth it out a little bit more, and I probably will, but I can't believe it actually worked. So this is gonna make my decision even tougher, but I'm gonna think about this, guys. Maybe leave a comment. What do you think? Should I go get them fixed, or should I just see how long I can go? But I mean, I don't know what gas prices are going to be like next year. And I don't know what dental prices in Mexico are going to be like next year. I don't know what the US dollar is going to be like next year. There's a lot of stuff up in the air. I know right now that I can afford to get it done, and I can get it done for a decent price. So I'm leaning towards going to Mexico, but to get my teeth done again. Alright guys, that's it. Sorry about the bad camera angle with the teeth. That's why I didn't show very much, but thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Hope everything's going good. God bless. Peace.